Hi guys, so welcome to another video. I'm playing with my sister.
I can't find
Turn around.
Are you on the spruce side?
Oh, I fell.
Anyway, I'm gonna get
So,
I got first.
bark, 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 bark. Wait, what's my skin? What's my skin? Please. Aww.
What, did you get a special skin?
No, I just
Or
was
were you
hoping that it
hoping
wasn't
to
Steve.
look like, or were you hoping to look like my special made custom skin?
I was hoping to have
my
a
special
non-Steve skin.
So you were hoping for my special made custom skin?
No,
That would be weird for
not that.
you.
Hat,
Because
hat,
that's the skin that you would get.
hat, 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 hat.
It was made for my name.
Yes, it was.
So you would not like it.
Mine.
Hang on, Tim, open your inventory and you can see what it looks like. Hagrid!
Berg.
It looks like my
Eh,
skin too.
it is your skin. It's your skin.
Tim, I'm gonna have an overground house and you can have an underground house and you can have a tunnel attached.
I can do any house I want,
I know.
including a horrible house.
Yeah. How about you an underwater house? You know, one of those glass dome ones? Those
No.
are cool.
Yeah, those are cool, but I'm not doing it.
You couldn't do that.
Now,
No.
give me flowers.
It would take a lot of coal.
Flowers for my reasons.
And a lot of wood.
Mushroom. Yeah. Actually, it would take a lot of coal. New recipe. A bowl. And I got a mushroom from it. No. I
When I
forgot.
make wood, it's gonna say, new recipe, button.
Oof. Now, create dyes.
Abracadabra. Levitation. How did that do me? I like oak birch. Wait, get the rubber dog?
The rubber jockey? What's a rubber jockey?
A rubber ducky.
Lots of sand here.
Leviosa to get that. No, just make something out of it.
And I
Found sheep?
yeah, I found sheep.
Sheep. Kill all food. You can make this one. Okay, Tim, I will go to those rivers.
Interesting fact about sheep in
So I'm
Minecraft.
going
They
over
run
to
whichever way they're facing when you hit them. But they might turn around like that.
Okay,
Oh, wait,
Tim, what
no,
side of the
bad.
farm you want?
Spruce. And I crossed the river onto a spruce side. Okay. That. Yeah, in the spruce.
Okay, Tim.
One fence. Done. Now.
Let me. There.
Rose bushes make 2 red dye.
Yep.
And I found a shallow lake. It's beautiful. And some more sheepy deeps.
I don't see you. Ooh,
Yes,
I see
you don't
a
see me.
normal plane.
And I also made it to a normal place on one of the sides of the spruce biome.
I found piggies. And zombies.
Okay, so you found pigs.
Right. I'm gonna kill them for meat.
Frightening. I have sheeps, you has pigs. Sheep, pig, sheep, pig.
These are my pets.
Sheeps, pigs.
I love my pets so much, I'm gonna give them a quick and painful death.
Don't you mean painless?
Oh, I heard it. What is up? There's probably enough. Yes. More piggies. Reducto. I am queen of the pigs.
Reducto, 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 reducto,
must not
reducto,
kill the
reducto,
pigs. They are my
reducto,
property.
reducto.
I have the pigs. They are my things.
I will grow trees as well in my magical place of fun.
There's a Notches cross over here, I can tell, because they were monsters and we just started this one.
Grow my wheat. Grow my wheat. Grow my wheat. Grow. Huh? And now to... I don't have enough. Sheepies! Where'd y'all go? I need the sheep. They can't have gone far. Unless they decided to go swimming and drowned. Which of course sheep can't do.
You all love me pigs
I'm going to make a cottage.
for all the evil you did.
The pigs did evil? How?
Yeah. By liking carrots.
That's a very strange thing.
Wait, no. I know what their kind is. That one only gave me one pork.
That is another weird cry. Reducto, 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 reducto. Okay, maybe it is in your eyes.
Don't you?
No. No.
Blue stud. Like cows always give me only steak when I need leather. But only when I need leather. When I need steaks, they give me one steak at a time, not even a piece of leather.
There are sheeps. I will own sheeps. Quack, quack, ducks.
And I will own pork chops. They're my favorite kind of animal. Tim, what are you? I found a river. Hang on, wait, cheats are on. I can teleport to you. Tim.
Yeah, but I have to do it. TP. Wait, you're A L. Now,
Oh, hi.
8.
Can I kill these sheep?
1. No. 1,
Oh, you're gonna breed them?
2.
Are you hungry?
2.
I'm hungry. Let's have a raw pork chop. It's a totally normal lunch.
2, 3, 1, 2,
That's good. We got
3.
the stupid dog.
Now, back to the place where I'm growing the wheat. And my crafting table is over there as well. You will come.
I am welcome.
You will come if you
Where are
come.
you?
I am about to get over the hill with all the roses. Yes, you don't. But look for the one with all the rose bushes.
Okay, it's getting dark. I'm making a molehill. Okay, I made a molehill. I will see you tomorrow.
Okay, so nighttime. You will die, squid. Now I have that. Sheepy. It's a sheep. I will get wool from this sheep. I come over hill. You see me.
No. I won't see you. I'm in a molehill.
I build pretty cottage.
You did.
I build it. Not yet, but I will.
I think you have to shoot those.
Made from oak, it will be.
Provide birch for door and stuff. I will.
Make nice 2-story little cottage.
No.
Birch doors? Oak. Actually, birch door. Yeah, birch door. Shing, shing. Destroy grass. Wimpy, wimpy, wimpy. Fend off 2 zombies at once. How do you do that? You asked him how. 'Cause he can do it. I can do it. I will do it. Fending off 3 zombies at once. Okay, that's more of a challenge, but I will do it. Now it's time to destroy 3 zombies. Destroy zombies! No.
No, it's getting dark.
Gosh.
No.
TP.
You can't do that.
Oh. Now I need to get art out.
Hey,
I am
stop.
sorry.
You need dirt to get out.
Yeah. I must get my stuff before it despawns. That's what I am doing. I will has my stuff. Let's hope the zombies haven't picked any of it up. But they're zombies and they probably have picked up at least a bunch of it. No, I don't think any of it has picked up.
You have nothing of interest to
Bang, 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 bang!
Bang! Oh no. You have taught them the secrets of water. Now they can survive the day.
No, no. Okay, so